Good morning, it is the new year and we've got our first sourdough loaf of the year. I can't even remember where I got this bag from. I think it might have come with one of the bannetons in. So I've got a couple, so I use one while they're proofing and then I use this to keep it fresh once it's actually cooked. I'm going to cut her open because it's been a while since I've made an actual loaf. I just open baked this on a preheated hot baking sheet and I did like a 5-minute, it was in the oven 5 minutes, then I scored it. So I'm going to cut this open and hopefully it'll be okay. It's been a long while since I've made an actual loaf, so fingers crossed. She's not perfect, but I'm very happy with that. I don't like the sourdoughs that have got the huge bubbles. I feel like this shows it's got a better ferment because it's got even bubbles. Maybe that's just me. I'm not going to squish it too much, and it's been sat overnight, so it's most people tend to do the squish test when it's like hot, don't they? But yeah, look at that little beauty. I gave my sister some of my sourdough starter. So mine is called Scrooge. My husband named my sourdough starter because if he was a flavour you would bet he would be sour. That's where my husband's brain went, so it's now called Scrooge. My sister, she was like, I feel in my heart that my one's called Kevin. So we're slowly gathering a collection of Christmas characters for sourdough starters. She's made a few bits. I don't know if she's going to post about it, but she did us dirty. Over Christmas she took a few videos and she did the wicked brief with everyone. Bear in mind, I still don't sound right. This was a good week and a half ago. I have been ill. My sisters are ill. My mum's not been right. So everyone's been ill over Christmas and she made us do the wicked riff. I sounded like a walrus. I couldn't get notes out. Is what it is. My dad, his one sounded like the transitions in Hannah Montana. You know, the TV series Hannah Montana? It sounded like a transition. And then she also filmed everyone dancing to Nicki Minaj. It started off with my nan just going for it and it went from there, and next thing we know there's a video up. So yeah, but I'm going to enjoy my sourdough with some poached or boiled eggs. I might do like 7 minutes soft and kind of lightly mash them up. But at that point I might as well do poached. But they taste different. Please someone let me know, do you think it tastes different, poached versus like an egg boiled in the shell? I might do boiled and do it for 7 minutes so it's jammy, but the whites are all cooked. Because I can't eat eggs if the whites are snotty. My nan can eat them like snotty. Well, it's not going there. Anyway, Happy New Year. I'm still recovering, so I'm trying to rest before heading back to work. But yeah, Happy New Year. Have a good one. And remember, you don't have to have New Year's resolutions. You can have goals that you'd like to achieve, but that doesn't mean they have to happen this year. Some things take time. They take hella time. But make your dreams happen. Do yourself a dream board and work towards those goals. New Year's resolutions I find so stupid because you put a time frame pressure on yourself. It's very, very cold here. We've had a light dusting of snow, so I'm going to bunker down and basically just try and continue resting until I go back to work. So yeah, Happy New Year, guys.